Welcome to the Web Beginner series. In this series, we are just going to make sure that we are on the same stage on web programming languages. Okay, so for web development, we have three things mostly, which is very important. The first one is HTML. This is HTML, this is called markup languages. So, with the help of this language, we design the content of this is just a web page. For example, this is just a web page, and with the help of HTML we are just going to write something, we are just going to design images, and we are just going to add videos and do many more things. Okay, so we have to learn, this is the basic language for web development. Now next one is CSS. This is for styling these contents, all the contents made by the HTML. We have to style all of them, because without styling, a web page is like a linear web page, which is not attractive by the user itself. So it's gonna like completely messy, and you are not going to like this, or no one is going to like this. So for this, we are just going with CSS, which is called cascading style sheet, and with the help of this language we are just going to style all the contents made by the HTML. Now these are called user interface languages for web development. It means these are to design the user interface, how the contents will look on the web page. Okay, now next language, which is very important, which is JavaScript. This language is called JavaScript, and this is called scripting language, means programming language. We anything what we use in this chapter or web pages to design any type of software. Like for example, we have many things like a button, and we have to click a button to change something, to change the height, to change the width of any image. So with the help of JavaScript, we are going to code all the internal scripting. Okay, and these are called default language of any browser, any modern browser, because you are going to find HTML, CSS and JavaScript all the time as default, and you can use many files like let me clear it, like jQuery, and PHP, now Python, and many more. Okay, you are just going to add for your further programmings, because these are used in advanced manner. So for beginner, we are just going to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, let's make the first file, that is HTML. So let's start the Sublime Text, which is text editor. So Control N for new file. Now just first save it like HTML underscore demo33.html. Cool. So now first of all, we are just going to write the HTML basic structure. So for this, you need not to do anything extra, just write what I have written: HTML5, HTML:5, and then tab, press the tab. So this is just the empty structure of HTML, where we have document, this tag document HTML, which defines that the documents which we are using is HTML. Now second one is HTML tag. So in HTML, everything we have with the help of closing and opening tag. Okay, and the contents will be in between the opening and closing tags. Okay, so this is just the opening tag of HTML with language English, short form EN. Okay, now next we have head tag, and inside head tag we have many essential information, like the information, the author, and the description, the keywords and all. Okay, so here we have a tag like title. So we are just going to add, this is just the title which will show in the browser that what contents in the browser. Okay, so again we are typing, this is just a demo web page. Cool. Now again tab, press tab. Okay, web page. Cool, just a demo web page. Now just go to the body tag. Now just okay, it's quite sufficient for me right now. Just Control S, let's try it. Okay, just add a div tag, Control S. Now just write hello world to show the hello world in the browser. Just save it, but Control S, and just right click, go to the open browser section, and you will see that a browser is opened, where you can see the hello tag. This is just a hello tag in the browser, and this is called the body of the tag, or body of the browser, means this body and this body. This is opening tag of the body, and this is simply closing tag of the body. Anything which will be inside this body will show in this white space. Okay, and this is just a title of our web page. So it's completely fine. Stop the video.